Do you want to benefit from the crypto market without spending hours watching charts or needing technical expertise? Tolfex offers a fully automated solution that independently manages your investments for you. Designed for the Canadian market, the platform uses advanced technology to handle every aspect of trading, so you can focus on your goals while the system works in the background. Within just a few minutes, your personal system is set up and ready to operate. By using the link in the description, you'll also gain instant access to all features plus an exclusive welcome bonus. Tolfex is much more than a typical crypto tool. The platform is tailored specifically for investors in Canada who want to grow their digital assets in a reliable and straightforward way. Whether you're just getting started or tired of time-consuming manual trades, Tolfex ensures a structured, seamless experience. The AI runs 24/7, continuously analyzing market movements, identifying trends, optimizing strategies, and executing trades automatically. It adapts to changing market conditions and strictly follows the parameters you set. No prior trading knowledge is required. Simply define your risk level and financial goals. The system handles the rest. Tolfex keeps your portfolio balanced and dynamically adjusts positions as market conditions evolve. When you register through the provided link, your welcome bonus is activated automatically. One of Tolfex's biggest advantages is its adaptive learning technology. Unlike traditional bots that operate on fixed rules, this AI continuously refines its strategies. It monitors your portfolio's performance, reacts dynamically to market changes, and improves its trading methods step by step. Think of it as a dedicated financial analyst working around the clock, without breaks and without emotional decision-making. Security is also a top priority. Tolfex follows Canadian compliance standards, including KYC and AML requirements, and uses modern encryption protocols to safeguard all user data. Information is stored in certified, highly secure cloud environments. If you have questions during registration, the onboarding process is simple, customer support is responsive, and even beginners can navigate the platform with ease. Once your objectives are set, the AI manages the entire execution process. Please note, the exclusive bonus is only available through the provided link. Tolfex isn't just a short-term tool. It's designed to be a long-term partner in your financial strategy. Whether you aim to build passive income, diversify your portfolio, or invest more efficiently, the system evolves alongside your needs. However, don't wait too long. The bonus and full access remain available only while the invitation link is active. The AI behind Tolfex is built on advanced models capable of processing large volumes of data in real time. Instead of identifying simple patterns, the system continuously analyzes historical price data, market sentiment, and current trends to make informed decisions. This learning-based approach allows Tolfex to remain flexible and adaptive, delivering consistent and structured decision-making, whether markets are stable or highly volatile. Crypto investing doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Let Tolfex handle the technical processes while you focus on your goals, results, and financial freedom. Use the link in the description now to secure your welcome bonus while it's still available.